SpongeBob's here to see Patrick. Ooh, looks like he's out jellyfishing. Hold on, he must have forgot his hands. Is that his head? Oh, no, that's it over there. Keep looking until we find his pants next. Oh, don't worry. We can always rebuild him. Looks like this star will rise again. You can tell this is SpongeBob's luggage. It's got his face on it. All his stuff's got his face on it. And yet, his luggage still goes missing. It's such a shame to lose good slime. And it's important stuff from Goo Lagoon, too. The best part is when we've got all the colors collected. You can use it to make a bright, shiny rainbow. Why don't we give it a nice massage? Uh-oh, the colors are blending! Add something on top. Ah, is there anything that glitter can't fix? Mix it together, and what have you got? I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a pumpkin. Until you open it up, and it's Sponge Block. Which means Patrick isn't too far behind. And look, we've even got Mr. Krabs. The gang's almost here. Oh boy, it's 3 a.m. You know what that means. It's time for a delicious Krabby Patty. Would you like Krabby fries with that? Open up, Patrick. SpongeBob made it with love. Nothing but the best for his best friend. And there's always room for dessert. Don't know why, but strawberry made him think of you. Something to wash it down. And for a little gas relief. I think he could use a wet wipe. Next, SpongeBob wants to play with a cardboard puzzle. Let's speed things up with a little karate! Next up, collect all of these pieces and stack them up together. It's just what we need to finish our special diorama. It's really nice, but it could use some colors. Yellow for SpongeBob. And pink for Patrick. Of course, we need to make sure to spread it around, too. Looks like a job for our trusty paintbrush. Make sure to clean it, or Patrick will end up orange. Don't forget a little white for the eyes. Plus some baby blues. Wow, it's almost like they're springing to life. Ooh, look at all of this colorful sand. About time Squidward made an appearance. He sure likes to make an impression, doesn't he? Now it's Mr. Krabs. Hope he doesn't charge us for this. Of course, we can't forget the star of the show. And we're not talking about Patrick. We mean SpongeBob. But don't worry, we haven't forgotten SpongeBob's best friend. Still, I think it's time we put our personal stamp on things. Actually, there's all sorts of things we can do with our friends. Though they might not keep in one place. Don't worry, we can always make more of them. Well, as long as we keep those cookie cutters. Okay, that was fun. But you know what's more fun? Why, it's bringing everybody together. In fact, we're gonna need a big mold for this next job. This SpongeBob's got a little bit of everyone inside him. But why don't we help him with these bubbles? You know how SpongeBob makes everything a party, especially when bubbles are involved. Oh, look, Patrick sure could use a shave.
Wow.
Well, at least he looks better than he smells. Smells like Patrick's in need of a potty party. Just relax and let nature take its course. Wow, those Krabby Patties ran right through you. A clean finish. If only that could describe the rest of you. Here, lie back, relax, and we'll give you a wash. Water won't do much on its own. Well, a sponge has gotta do what a sponge has gotta do. Just lather, rinse, and repeat. Seriously, repeat. And soon, our old Patrick is back. Look, it's a mini SpongeBob. And he's ready, he's ready, he's ready. Ready to start spinning, complete with light show. SpongeBob is a real party animal. Just wait until he does the bunny hop. But now, it's time for him to hit the floor. Ah, Gary's always been so supportive of him. Gary, what are you doing to the pineapple? Oh, so that's where you hide your blocks. They even look like pineapple chunks. But they're blocks, and blocks are for building. We've got all this fruit around. So why don't we make a smoothie stand? Of course, every pineapple needs a crown. Now our surf shop is aquarium ready. Of course, a beach is gonna need some sand. How else is everyone gonna get some sandy cheeks? Coconut. Now that's one tough nut to break. This one's got a prize inside. It's Patrick. He's stretchy, but he could sure use some pants. But first, let's clear off those pimples. Okay, now that bottom's bikini ready. Time to blow a balloon. We're out of bubbles. Let's try it on for size. Perfect fit. How about you stick around for a spell? You rest up. We'll get your rock ready. With this shell, we've got a basement and attic. Can't forget the antenna. Patrick likes his soaps. Ah, pineapples. They're practically made to cut up. More importantly, they're made for snacking. But save the shell. It just needs a few additions. like a welcoming door. Plus a window or two. Pins, functional and fashionable. A chimney for Santa. But guess who's here now? SpongeBob! And Squidward's right around the corner. Hey, Sponge Girl, he needs his tiki. Grab a cup. Those pens ain't going anywhere. Stand it up and make a doorway. Cover it up with a nice dark blue. Uh-oh, almost sealed up the door. Now grab one of those loose pens. Add some color to these popsicle sticks. It's time for a little karate. You know, karate. Once they're broken up, we can make a door. Can't forget a gilded doorknob. But Tiki's missing a face? Ever notice he kind of looks like Squidward? Any other Squidwards we should know about? Hey guys, what are you all looking at? Nosferatu? No, it's SpongeBob. He's looking a little dry. Get him some water. Maybe the Flying Dutchman's chest can help. We hit something. Diamonds! Don't tell Mr. Krabs. Anyone got anything they want to add? Thanks, Squidward. Ooh, doubloons! Sponge Skull's got a cool new resting place. What a nice chain! Why not add it in too? Always knew SpongeBob's the real treasure. Of course, the best treasure's always buried, for some reason. SpongeBob? That must be his spare skull. Lunchtime? Ooh, the Krusty Krab delivers. Wow, we finally get to try a Krabby Patty. If you think that's bad, they forgot your drink too. But Sponge Girl has a few tricks up her sleeve. We just need a ball, make a slice, and paint it as red as Mr. Krabs. Add a matching pipe cleaner, make a pair. Now we've got some big meaty claws. That's right, we're making our own crab. And down here, crabs like money, like a lot. Some lashes should protect those dollar signs. Hey, why don't you guard our treasure? And yes, it's a paid position. Sponge Girl, you got a little something. Hey, is that plankton? Leave her brain alone! We should really keep an eye on you. Speaking of eye, he needs one. Just one. Someone's looking good. Well, evil good. Hey, we've got a little surprise for you. You finally get to go into business with Mr. Krabs. Uh-oh, looks like stormy seas ahead. Oh no, the gang's all mixed up. Let's help them find their right houses. I know, we'll make them some signs. Just add the right color button where it's needed. Plenty of pink to go around. We've got green too. All it needs now is a leg to stand up. Here, guys, go to the place with your face on it. Ah, nothing beats a good homecoming. Oh, SpongeBob, what's wrong? I know. You miss your best friend in the world. If the shell didn't tip you off, it's Gary. After all, home is where the shell is. But we're not done yet. We need a body. Some membrane, and 2 eye stalks. A snail without a shell is just a slug. Ooh, Gary must be eating all of his veggies. Which reminds me, it's time for dinner. Now for some kelp cola. Hey, you made green pasta. Maybe just this once, it's okay to play with your food. But it's not easy being green. Use all sorts of colors. Pour them out. Now you can really taste the rainbow. Add to the sand. The coral's really in bloom. Bikini bottoms in session. Time to relax. Oh, wait, there's one more finishing touch. Sorry, Dolly, we're gonna need that gravel. A road will really help you get around. But our underwater world needs one more thing. Water. Someone make sure Sandy's wearing her helmet. Oh, she's in her tree dome. Good, good. Wow, we can practically swim in this thing. I didn't mean that as a challenge. Seems like a nice place to raise a school. Ooh, the jellyfish are in season. Hey, Nemo, your dad's looking for you. Either way, let's explore our underwater world. Granted, there's no surprises when you're the architect. Wow, I can't believe I can hold my breath this long.